everybody, we have this lovely patient here with a very awfully lovely thick nails. And what we're going to do is we're going to try to file it down and make it a little bit more presentable. So how does this happen? Well, loads of things can happen. You can have injury, you can have an infection that deforms the nail plate. Injury can be like a car ran over it, a horse stepped over it, a shark bit in it, Stephanie stepped on it. Loads of things. So what we're going to do is just drill it back a little bit first, just to remove the thickness of the nail. And moving it around. I'm just going to point the drill with the ferry. So the question now is, as we get closer, what do you think, Stephanie? We've got a little bit of curvature underneath here, so I'm just going to cut it down a little bit. Yeah, just underneath. To remove that ingrown bit of nail, to be honest. Nail in here that needs to be cut up 1, 2, 3. A bit more. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Make it thin. And then make it short. I have to do this very slowly because... Is that good?
Just the other side, isn't it? Yeah.
That looks
good. Discoloration side.
Yeah.
Don't need to go around. Yeah.
That does look better. I think it's this side.
Okay.
Like cut out. Looks better already. So it's just it's hollow. So if I flatten it out, I'm just worried that it will break. That side here, this side's a bit attached. See a little bit. I want to change my drill. That bit needs to be cut back a little bit. Yeah. And then refer her to Jason just to see if there's anything that can be done. What do you think? I think that side, can that be cut? Or no?
No. I think the other side looks wonderful.
A little bit more? Flatter?
Yeah. Not flatter, just shorter.
Shorter, yeah?
Yeah. More rounded in corner.
Yeah. Literally trying not to cut too much off. We're just doing it very slowly because when you trim it, it can just go in one go, and then that's it. At least with this.
It's a manual file.
Yeah. That's right. I think that's pretty good already, to be honest. I'm actually looking up at an angle. I think this bit can... I don't know if it can be thinner. Does this side hurt on this? Underneath here, does it hurt? Does it feel like it's digging in? Do you think I can do more? Or?
I think it's good. It's just the thickness, like you said.
Yeah. Just
because it's hollow.
Yeah, it's hollow, so I can't. I'm being really careful. Alternatively, it's just to lob it off, right? But we want to keep kind of like a. Are you happy with that, or do you want it shorter? I think that's fine. If it doesn't have any pain inside, and I cut down a bit, it's more like what I'm doing or what we're doing is more aesthetics, trying to make it look more flat and less bulky and more straight. Obviously, we can cut all the discoloration away, but then we'll make the nail very lopsided. So it's really up to you. Either I can cut everything away, like all the lifting, because you still have a massive gap, all of it, but it's just never going to be straight.